Good morning, Ben. Real quick, I just wanted to, based on your email that we talked about the other day, I've got a couple ideas. I just threw the placeholder of the plaster back in just to kind of give a visual. I don't. I think the idea is that we want to incorporate as much of this curve. We're going to lose. Let me go back to ghosted mode here. We're going to lose, to put a small piece of trim at the top, we're going to lose this row. Depending on one of the other things we could do is, you can see how the depth, the neck protrusion is pretty minimal, and so that we can incorporate more of the curvature of the arch. If we make this the cabinet face, if we pull it back and push the bottles back in, you see we got quite a bit of room back behind there. If they don't mind having neck storage sticking out a little bit, we can cut down on the depth of this cabinet, which is going to bring the face of it down. So I think we're gonna introduce more of the radius. And if they want to see, rather than just having this radius at the end and not having it anywhere else, I had a couple ideas. We could have this radius here, have it go across, and maybe take these two sections here and have those be shorter. We are going to sacrifice some bottle count, but it could be a nice design element where we could have a shelf that comes down so that the radius, the arch, goes back and is more visible. We can uplight it, and we could have some specialty bottle or trinkets or things like that, artwork, something like that sits up on top. So that would carry that down there to make it look more intentional. And then so we would have the first two would be up to the highest point, do a notch across there, open to a lower level, and then back up again. This one here in the corner, if we can keep this little we call it a hip, where the 45 goes down in there where these two arches meet, and maybe have the cabinet stop here at a shelf. So this end cabinet and the Magnum storage stops. The top of the cabinet comes here, and we have uplighting where we have more. We flood this the plaster with that little hip coming down, and that's a display area, and then have the display lights in there too, and then carry this guy. We would lose that top row of Magnums, but make it look the same as what's over here on this side. And then this center could be lowered so that we have the arch, or excuse me, the radius of the soffit coming down behind it, and this would be a great place to flood, put a light pointing up here, and have more display for specialty items. And these shelves here too, I didn't think about it before, but this would be a great spot to have an uplight, to accentuate specialty stuff here and here. We could even do one down here low that's hidden, a piece of trim that's recessed into the countertop that floods back like this. But anyway, so I think there's some ideas of, if you guys give me some direction, I can remove some different things and show the radius coming down farther, if that's a direction that you guys might want to experiment with. So anyway, that's it. Hope you guys are having a great week. Happy New Year to you.